talks about nothing at all. It isn't about me or about anybody else. It isn't about love, nor about youth, nor about anything else. Because in the first place it was conceived while sleeping on a horse. I don't know at which time I was born. I am neither happy nor sad. I am neither a stranger nor a native, nor can I do anything, because I was so bewitched one night on a high hill. I don't know when I'm asleep, nor when I am awake, unless I am told. I almost had my heart broken by a deep pain, and I don't care at all, by Saint Marshall. I am sick and I'm afraid to die, but I don't know more than I hear around. I'll call for a doctor as I feel, but I don't know which one. He is a good doctor if he can heal me. He isn't if I get worse. I have a mistress and I don't know who she is, because I never saw her by my troth. Nor did she do anything I'd like or dislike, nor do I care, since I never had either a Norman nor a Frenchman in my house. I never saw her and I love her much. I never had need, nor did she ever wrong me. When I don't see her, I do rather well. I don't care, because I know a kinder and prettier one who is worth more. I've written a verse, I don't know about whom, and I'll convey it to the one who'll convey it to someone else, towards poeters, since I would like of that a tweet to have the second key.